Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. I'm from 40 Group. Would you like to have presentation about presentation? The title is the atmosphere. But before, I will introduce my mother member. My name is Andre Nobusawira and my partner Rahmat Arif Mutikanta and Salahuddin Alfari. Atmosphere. Earth atmosphere. Earth atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds the Earth from its surface to deep in space. The altitude of the atmosphere between an altitude of 0 km above ground layer to an altitude of about 516 km above the Earth's surface. The composition of the atmosphere consists of layers that are distinct by composition, chemical reaction, ionization, and temperature level. Based on the temperature, the atmosphere is composed of 5 layers with different temperature, namely the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Earth's atmosphere consists of nitrogen 78.117% and oxygen 20.97% with a small amount of argon 0.9%, carbon dioxide variable but about 0.0357%, water vapor, and other gas. The atmosphere protects life on Earth by absorbing ultraviolet radiation from the sun and reducing temperature extreme between day and night. 75% the atmosphere is within 11 km the planet's surface. The atmosphere has the several benefits, protecting the Earth from exposure to ultraviolet radiation, and the ozone ultraviolet light is very dangerous of the Earth for life on Earth. Protects the Earth from space objects that fall due to the Earth's gravity. The atmosphere is also a weather medium that can affect rain, storm, typhoon, wind, snow, flood, and other. Contains various gases needed by human, plant, and animal for breathing and other needs.
The atmosphere has several main functions, including 1. As a unit in making short and long-term weather forecasts. 2. As a basis for investigating the condition of life and the possibility of life in the upper layer of the air. 3. As a guideline to determine the possibility of artificial rain in a certain area. 4. Knowing the cause of interference that occur in radio wave, television, and other. One of the components of the atmosphere is ozone, where the amount is very small. Human life is highly dependent of the ozone layer. Ozone has the ability of absorb ultraviolet radiation with a wavelength of less than 320 nm emitted by the sun. Ultraviolet rays can kill humans and damage other elements of life. Naturally, ozone reacts with various molecules containing nitrogen, hydrogen, and chlorine. The number of these molecules is so small that they do not interface with the abundance of ozone in the stratosphere. the abundance of ozone will be disturbed by chlorine and bromine compound for in man-made refrigerants. For example, CFC compound containing chlorine. The chlorine released from the CFC will decompose the outer ribbon, so that the density of the ozone layer will decrease if the process continues. The, the, the depletion of the ozone layer causes an increase in UV radiation, which has an impact of the damage to the natural protection system of living things, thereby increasing the vulnerability of resistance in humans, animals, and plants.
In human, exposure to UVB rays can cause cataract and decrease immunity of skin cells, which can lead to skin cancer. This can also happen to animals. Excessive UVB radiance can inhibit plant metabolism, so that grow slower and become stunned. The impact of exposure to UVB rays on aquatic ecosystem adversely affects the distribution of phytoplankton, which is the basis of the food chain in the water. In addition, it can also inhibit the early development of fish, shrimp, crabs, amphibians, and other animals. Reduce reproductivity capacity and inhibit larva development. The protection of the ozone layer is carried out by controlling the consumption and production of ozone depleting substance, one of which limits the production and consumption of controlled ozone depleting substance, namely CFCs and halon. Presidential decree, which regulation the protection of the ozone layer, among other. 1. Presidential decree number 23 of 1992 to Presidential decree number 92 of 1998, 3 Presidential regulation number 46 year 2005, 4 Presidential regulation number 33 of 2005. Oke, cukup sampai di sini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Determine the possibility of artificial rain in a certain area. For knowing as cause of interface that occur in a radio wave